Listen everyone, generate amazing image right from one tool. Select the CapCut app, download if you have not done so. Select the AI image right on it. This will take you to the interface. In this chat box, put in this prompt I'm going to show you right on my screen. Using the reference image without alteration to the facial features, create a studio. So this is the prompt that we're going to be using right here on the screen. And once that is done, I'm going to attach, so yes, attach your image of your choice from your gallery. Pick a clear image, by the way, and then click aspect ratios 9:16 because we want this to be vertical, and click generate. It just take a few seconds for this to generate. It's very fast, okay? And here we go. This is the image that it generates. Yep. I'm going to edit this even more further because I don't like to send this up like this. I'll put a little bit of effect to it, okay? I did that already. I put a zoom in, and that's a zoom in effect, okay? You see that little blank at the end of the video? Let's get rid of that, okay? You can cut that off. And also on that video, let's do a little bit of editing. I will select the aspect ratio of the long form here, okay? The 5:8. That way we can trim out the logo on the top at the end of it, okay? Now let's put more editing. Let's add some text effects, okay? Put some word into it. Click on the text, add text. Once that is done, type in the text that you wish. All right, this is from the template, the text template. So let's pick any one we want. And I'm going to type in, let's go with Mary in advance. All right. So I put in Mary in advance. Okay, so let's trim in the Mary in advance, making sure that it fits within the picture frame. All right, and then we'll center it well in the picture. So right there. Excellent. So Mary in advance. Here we go. All right, so once that is done, we're going to select the export button there. And then we're going to wait for that to export. But once that is done, it's automatically saved on the gallery. So go back to your gallery, select the image. Let's trim it down. Remember, that's the reason we select the aspect ratio 5:8. We select, this is the time now to get rid of the logo. So you crop it from the top and the bottom. Okay. And that already get rid of your, the CapCut logo, right? This is one of the ways you can get rid of the logo in your image or your video. All right, save it. And you just wait for it to load. Save it to your gallery. There you have it. See you in the comment section.